Exploring Expressive English, black as soot. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we'll be diving into a picturesque phrase of the English language, black as soot. We'll unpack its meaning, origin, and how you can use it to add color to your conversations. So, let's get started. The expression, black as soot, is a simile, a figure of speech that compares two different things to highlight a particular characteristic. In this case, blackness. Soot is a deep black powder which is produced when something, especially wood or coal, burns. It's known for its intensity and the ease with which it stains surfaces. So, when something is described as black as soot, it means it is extremely black or dark in color. This phrase has its roots in times when homes were heated by burning coal or wood, and soot was a common sight. Over time, black as soot became a popular descriptive phrase in English literature and conversation. It's used both literally, to describe something that's very black, and metaphorically, to suggest something is dark, dirty, or negative. To help you understand how to use black as soot, let's look at a few examples. After the fire, the walls were black as soot. He emerged from the mines, his face black as soot from the coal dust. The humor in the play was as dark and black as soot, reflecting the writer's view of the world. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, black as soot. With its vivid imagery and rich history, this simile is a fine example of English's descriptive power. Use it to make your language as colorful and expressive as a painter's palette. Until next time, happy learning and keep enriching your English vocabulary.